into the blizzard of 2017. March 14th, Andrew's birthday. Let's take a walk out on the street, see what it's like. Where I've shoveled, we've got 8 inches. I think I've shoveled about a foot and a half now. Let's step into it. Where the wind swirls around the garage. We've gotten 15 inches of snow so far. And maybe another 15 to go, based on the current forecast. That's a 2-foot stone wall there. That's now buried. And today was the day we were supposed to fly to Florida. Needless to say, we didn't. Wind seemed to have subsided a little for the time being. It's just snowing, that's it. Nobody out. Nobody around. And it's cold too. Getting ready to break. Plenty of branches down. Bizarre wind pattern here. I think I'll take the less deep route. It's 3 feet of snow to my right. A couple of feet where I'm walking. think I've had enough. Do a little shoveling and then come in. That's all, folks.